Hey everybody, Dan Kraus here again. Welcome back. You can see today we are doing some hail dents on this 2017 Camry. Not too bad. I'm going to attempt to glue pull all these and yeah, try to step up my glue pull game a little bit and see if I can get all these to 100%. So that's the plan. We'll get started. Alright guys, so just about wrapped up with the hood here. Had to glue pull 100% of these. This is a high strength steel hood. Not any good access in here, so glue pull it was. As you can see, it turned out really good though. There was really just one spot right there that would not come up, but I might try a little bit harder. The rest of it turned out okay. So, all right. All right, so I'm all wrapped up with the roof. That was 100% glue pull. Turned out really great. Using the Kiko ice tabs, the 7mm mostly, for most of the dents. And then a couple of them were a little bigger, but we're able to get those out. And with a lot of knockdown work and a lot of pulling work, this roof turned out great. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Subscribe for more content like this. See ya.